Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a sidewise effect on FilmoraGo apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And then in here, you just click on a feature. And then in here, you can see sidewise effect, this one. You just click in here, and then after this you can click check icon, and then now you just swipe and then now you can set the effect until the end of the video like this. Finish. So that's how to add a sidewise effect on FilmoraGo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.